718 Cyclery and Outdoors here in Brooklyn, New York. Last week we had a class with Chombo of the Packratters talking about 5 essential wilderness knots. The class was so good and interesting, I decided I really wanted to dive in and learn these knots on my own. As we do so many trips and tours, it would be really good if I knew my knots a little better. So today what I'm going to do is dive into the bowline.
Once completed, the bowline is a great knot using a single rope that attaches around stuff and you're able to pull it. The nice thing is, this knot doesn't cinch in on itself, nor does it release itself. But what's really also super cool is that it actually comes apart really easy. So you're able to really disassemble this knot kind of with ease. All right, let's talk about how to tie this thing. We're going to come around the item that we want to kind of loop around, which we'll call this a tree or a tent stake or something. This is the working end of the loop or the rope, and this is the standing end. So on the standing end, we want to make a loop. And the big thing with this is that the part that comes around, you want to be on top here, right? So I'm making a loop, but this is on top as it goes around. Okay, I'm going to come up through the hole, come around, go back down. Get that nice and sutured together. And there you go. I'm pulling this as hard as I can, and it's not coming, right? So again, this is a great knot to use, again, tying things off, tying stuff to trees, tying guy lines to tent stakes and things like that. So a real simple method. And the two great things about this, or the three great things: one, it's easy to tie; two, it's very stable. It doesn't cinch on itself. And three, it's easy to disassemble. So again, I'm going to disassemble this guy super duper quick and be on my way to my next adventure. So that's it. That's the bowline. Hope you liked it. If you want to check out more, we're going to do more classes with the Packratters. Hopefully this spring and summer, talking more about wilderness ropes. And even on some of our micro tours, we're going to have them there. So check out some of our stuff and check out some of their stuff. And thanks for watching.